Welcome back to Love What You Drive. The toolbox is out. Looks like we're about to do something today. Today we're back under the hood, and here's what we will be working on. This is the AC accumulator for the Mercury Grand Marquis. My AC doesn't blow cold air, and after I realized that these are probably some of the most common problems that happen on the Panther platforms with the AC going out. And you can see some of the rust spots around, so I wouldn't be surprised if this canister is rusted through. So we're gonna dive right in, remove the old one, and install this one. To locate the accumulator, this is the front of the car. You just go ahead and look right behind this coolant tank. You can see it right there where my hand is. Let me show you a better view. Here it is from this side. There it is. That's it right there. So you got these two hoses coming up to it, and then an electrical plug. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down. There's an accumulator. We're gonna go ahead and take off this electric plug first. And to take it off, all you gotta do is push up this little tab and it slides right off. We'll put that to the side. Next is gonna be these two metal clamps to hold the hose together. There's one down here and one up here. So you just spin it around and literally just push it out with two hands. As you can see, it just literally just slides off. Next, we're going to get these lines off, and the tool for that is going to be this fuel line release. It's a piece of plastic that will go into the fitting here and right here, and just spread the spring that's holding it down. This you can get at pretty much any car parts store. I got this at Harbor Freight. A whole kit, I would think about 5 or 6 pieces of different sizes. I think is about like $4 or $5, so nothing fancy. All we're gonna do is pop this up on the hose right here, and then push it up to spread the clamp here and here. So the one I'm going to use is a 7/8. Slip it on. Now I'm going to push this thing up towards the clamp, and I'm going to just move it around as I'm pushing it up. There it is. We'll take off this fuel line remover. So we went ahead and just plugged this in there, and now it's been a struggle because it's old and I think it may be even a little crusted on there, but you just really gotta put some elbow grease in it, and there it is. And also what I did was I sprayed a little bit of penetrant freeze off to get in there and just help with a little bit of the corrosion. Okay, next what we're gonna do is take off the whole canister. I brought the camera up. There's the battery front. If you can see it, there's going to be a 13mm bolt right there. There's one. The second one is just right on the other side of the canister. Right there, you can see it. And a third one on the bottom. So what we're going to do, I think it'll be easier if we just go ahead and go under the car and I'll show you right here. And you can see there's one bolt here, one here, right on the subframe, and then the other one is right there. So I'm gonna put the camera down here. We're gonna go ahead and grab a 13mm socket and proceed to pop those off. I apologize about all the noise. Seems like every time I'm working on the car, everyone comes out to mow their grass. 13mm socket. I just went ahead and got a swivel head to reach in there better. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this bolt. There's one. I went and got a longer extension because all these hoses here. Swivel head on, size 13. I'm gonna go reach back in there. I guess figure out a way that would work for you, because I've seen it done from the top, but just get her in there so you could get around these hoses. Okay, there's that bolt. We're gonna go ahead and pop this last one out. Okay, here we go. Now, here we have it. Here are the accumulators. As you can see, the old one, and you can see how rusty it is. I think this thing has served its purpose. And then here's the new part. I got this from Rock Auto. It came with oil. It came with all the gaskets to rebuild the whole AC system. I'm gonna see if I could get to that today. It came with everything you need for about 35 bucks. It's a 4 seasons system from Rock Auto, but we're gonna go ahead and take off this casing and take off this connector, which will go back on here, and then we can go ahead and reinstall everything. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart. I'm sorry about the noise. Just pop these clips off like that. This one was missing. Now we'll see what is really going on in here. Okay. The casing looks to be in pretty good shape. It'll clip back in. Now the accumulator, it's a little rusty. Some rust right here. And yeah, I think this is what leaked out. It's definitely rusted through. You can see some of the AC refrigerant. That's kind of like lime green. So whether this thing was leaking or not, I'm not really too sure because I didn't fill it up to check. We're gonna go ahead and now take off this piece right here, and we're gonna put it on the new. Okay, so now to take this off, the size 17 open end wrench. That was pretty easy. Okay. Now we're gonna come take a look at this side right here. We already got a new gasket or an O-ring. We're just gonna put it back on like that, and just a snug. That's it. You don't want to over tighten it because it's plastic. You don't want to crack it or break it. That's it for that. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in here already. There we go. Now we're just gonna put these tabs in. And we're gonna put these metal clips back on. Now we're gonna go back and change the O-rings on the line. Now what we're gonna do next, once again, I'm sorry about the lawnmowers. What we're gonna do next is change the O-rings on the hoses. I just got a small screwdriver, just gotta pick it out like so. Now the kit that I got, it comes with all the O-rings and pretty much every gasket and O-ring that you'll need for the whole for the whole AC system. So we're just gonna pop these out. Now we've gone ahead and pulled off these 3 O-rings. I do have new ones that came with the kit. So I'm gonna stick them back on one by one. There's 2, there's 3, just like that. Now the kit came with the oil, so I'm gonna take some oil. Just gonna take some in here. I'm gonna just put some oil on the O-rings, like that. That way it'll slip back in easier, it'll be lubricated. Since I did get a whole kit of pretty much the whole O-ring and gasket set, I'm gonna take off this main line as well, and as much as I can reach, I will change out whatever I can while I'm under here. Again, I'll be using this. Here's the main line. I'm gonna change the O-rings here and on this side. Three. A little bit of the oil. Gonna do the other side right here. I'm also gonna remove this line down here. Same concept, the fuel line remover. Now the kit also came with these springs, and these springs they go in here. This is what holds clamps down. As you can see, I'm not sure how to get them out. I'm not going to be too worried about them because they're not sealed. They're not seals, they're not gaskets. So I don't have the right tool for it, but I'm going to leave those in there. Just toss these aside. But I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff back on. Okay, I'm going to put this line back. I'm going to put some oil. One in. We'll put this one back in. Feed this down through here. I'm gonna clip this back on. Okay, that's on. The new accumulator and the whole system requires oil to work properly. So with the kit, there's this PAG 46 oil lubricant. So I'm gonna go ahead and put about 3 ounces in, because I'm sure it leaked out and the whole system needs to be lubed. Make sure you put it on the intake side. Now 3 ounces is about 88 milliliters. Should pour it in. Now that's in, we're gonna go ahead and install this back in. We are under the car. we're gonna go ahead and install this. It's just the reverse procedure. 13-inch bolts. I'll put this bottom one first so it supports it. Thread it on with your hands just to get it started. Next is gonna be the ones in the back. And now the final bolt. And now we're back under the hood. We have installed the accumulator. Now we're gonna hook up the lines and everything back. Now this bottom one is the intake line. Go ahead and slip that on. Make sure it clicks in. Next we'll install the electrical plug. That top line. Make sure you hear that clicking noise or else we'll have issues. Everything's in. Now we'll put these metal holders or the clamps back in. Slip it on. Click. Slip it on. Click. I'll go ahead and put these back again. Make sure it's clicked on. Just like that. Click. Everything is back in. That's how you change the AC accumulator on a 2006 Mercury Grand Marquis. Next will be to get some refrigerant and to fill it up, and I'll show you how to do that next.